Hey folks, welcome back to Cooking with Kevin on Thursday. Well, so you've seen Kelly's video by now, and in that video she showed a little bit of a haul. Well, you would have seen this box. That's right, Donair kit. So I'm not really expecting a lot of the Americans to really know what a Donair is because it's actually a Canadian item. But it does have some roots, it does have some history on how the Donair evolved to be what it was. A little bit of history lesson. So, Donairs originated Halifax, but it goes back further than that. They actually believe they stem coming from Greece, Turkey. Because over there, gyros, some people call them gyros, but gyros are very famous. You get lamb and beef with tzatziki sauce. They're actually very good too. So, but fast forward back to Halifax, back in 1970, a gentleman by the name, as soon as I find it here, of Peter Gamulakis. He was a Greek, 1970, when they figured he started up the Donairs. Halifax is very famous for its Donairs now. The King of Donair. It's a very big one in Halifax. They have some in Ontario. Kind of heard a rumor there may be one coming to Winnipeg, but that's been a rumor for the last 2-3 years, so we haven't seen it. And I've been kind of disappointed with finding Donairs within the city here that
they're not authentic.
they're not. Some of them don't. Yeah, they say they're Donair. Like I went to one place, asked them if they had Donairs. Yeah, we got Donairs. Said, so I got smart and went, does it come with the nice sweet sauce, the Donair sweet sauce? No. I said, well, then it's not a Donair.
And these frozen kits, I mean, they're good. They're but they're not authentic. They're
That's
not,
right.
Yeah.
So what do we get in the kit? You get your, I think it's beef and lamb, right? It's a mixture of well, it's Donair meat made with beef. So some places use beef and lamb, some chicken. Get some pita bread and sweet sauce that's in over here, just in some hot water because it was frozen. And then really you can top it how you want it. I like onions. Oh, and I like cheese on mine. Not all, like when you go to most places, you have to ask for cheese. Not all put it. So there's a various onions, Kellogg's tomatoes, lettuce on the onion and cheese. So that's it. So as you can see, this is going to be a fairly short video, but I'm going to go cook up some of this meat.
And you just warm it up in the frying pan, right?
Yeah. And maybe we'll show you warming it up, but stay tuned.
Okay.
All right, so we are just heating up the meat. It's already pre-cooked, spiced.
Now you did work with somebody that made their own, right?
Yep. I know somebody that makes. There's people that make their own. Make their own Donair meat. I've been actually lucky. We have one guy who has gone out to Halifax and brings stuff back. Yeah.
That's what it looks like. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? Yummy. Should grab a plate to put those on.
That's what I'm doing.
So, kind of looks like bacon, but it's not.
No.
That's good, isn't it? I think.
So we just
Smells yummy. When we lived in Trenton, there was an authentic restaurant.
Should.
Throw it in the oven to keep it warm.
Yeah. Yeah.
on. Did you forget somebody outside?
Is he outside?
Back door's open.
Oh, yeah. So maybe she could let him in.
Well, I'm holding the camera.
Let me get some more meat out here and then
Here's the ingredients. Some cheese, onions, lettuce, tomatoes, and there's the sauce. So, anyways, we'll just warm up all the meat like that. We'll bring you back when when Kevin's assembling them.
Okay, meat is done. So,
I'll bring it down here so you can see him building these.
yeah, just trying to even up the meat.
A little stingy on that one.
Well, that's because I get a little bit more over here. Just trying to even it out.
Mr. Brody, get your nose down.
Okay, so I will finish building mine. Kelly and I are different. Onions, sweet sauce. This is the key to donair.
Oh yeah, I don't like the tzatziki sauce because it's made with cucumbers, and I don't like cucumbers.
Yeah.
So.
And for me, cheese. Just kind of wrap it up. Mm-hmm.
And stuff it in.
Mm-hmm. And it's delicious.
Yeah.
So that's it. So that's the donairs in Canada.
Mm-hmm.
We will see you next week.